amazing FAST team. I wanted to quickly send you a video and talk to you guys about creating a video for your caseload. So for your kiddos who come onto your caseload throughout next year, I was thinking, and we kind of discussed this at the in-person, but creating a video that introduces yourself, what you are going to do to help the student, who you are, what is FAST, and how you're going to support the kiddo. And then lastly, encouraging your students or those who are on your caseload to try and do their best and encourage them. So I just included in here on my video a picture of my family. So if I was going to do this myself, I would want to introduce not only my face as it looks now, but also introduce my family so that they get to know me and we have that connection right from the get-go. So I would introduce my family, show them all my crazy kids, maybe give some, maybe a couple of things that I liked. I love to be out in the sun, I love the beach, and I also love to read books, so you kind of know a few things about me, and then prompt them to reply to you so that they know that they can connect with you as well. So let me know your thoughts when you watch this video. If you'd like to move forward with this process and create videos to introduce yourself and to connect with your FAST kiddos, I'd like to get this process started so we have all of our videos down and recorded and submitted and onto SharePoint by the end of this school year so that we're ready to go for next school year. Anyway, if you have any questions, let me know. Thanks.